Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss the load and resistance factor design method of designing a reinforced concrete circular column with axial and biaxial bending load based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Get the factored axial load from axial dead load and axial live load. Get a single axis factored moment from moment dead load and moment live load for axial bending load, and factored moment from both axes for biaxial bending load. Then solve for corresponding eccentricity. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of column like C1, C2, floor designation like ground to second, shapes and ties, diameter of column, unsupported height, bar configuration, vertical bars with size and grade, steel ratio, spiral tie bars with size and grade, strength of concrete, and design loads. Solve the area of steel from the number of bars and area of bar. Get the gross area of section to get the steel ratio that should fall between 1% to 8%. Then get the spacing between bars and check clear spacing between bars. Let the value of neutral axis C corresponds to the given eccentricity. Identify each bar distance from the edge of column section and their force type relative to their position from neutral axis. Get the stress of each bar relative to the distance from the neutral axis. From the steel stresses, get the force of each bar, then solve the force of compression block and sum up all the forces from each bar together with the compression block to get the actual nominal load of the column section. Perform final check for eccentricity from the given computations, then solve the actual moment. To check for adequacy, the design axial load should be less than the actual load capacity, and the design moment should be less than the actual moment capacity. Follow the given computations for spiral tie bars. Design recommendation format as follows: design criteria, column size, vertical bars, and spiral tie bars. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.